Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So today I'm going to be doing this gangster clown makeup tutorial. So if you like to see how to recreate this makeup look for yourself, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to take my MAC Cosmetics soft ochre paint pot and just put that on my lid as a base. Then I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and I'm going to be taking the shade Unity, and I'm just going to be using that as a transition shade. I'm going to be putting it on my crease and just above my crease as well. For this look I kind of wanted to do a bit more of a natural eye because there's going to be so much going on everywhere else, so I kind of wanted to leave the eyes a little bit natural, so yeah. Going back in with the same palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Lucid and I'm going to be using that for my brow bone shade. Then I'm taking the Lottie London Stamp liner and I'm going to be using the liner side and just going to be applying my liner and doing a bit of a wing. I'm also going to make this quite thick, so I'm not going to do like a super thin liner. I just felt like because the eyes were quite natural that I should do it a little bit thicker, so yeah. Taking my all-time favourite mascara, this is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lashes. If you want to know the real reason why girls take so long to get ready, it's this. Then I'm going to be applying my false lashes. I will leave the lashes in the description bar below if you are interested. So lashes now done, I'm just going to wipe away any of that baking product I have on my face. Then I'm taking the Benefit Bad Girl liner, and excuse the state of this liner, I literally left it on the floor one day and the dogs just decided that they thought it was a chew toy and just went ham on it. So yeah, excuse that, I need to buy a new one, it's gross. Then going back in with the Anastasia palette and I'm going to be taking the shade Obsidian, I think it's pronounced, I'm not too sure. And then I'm going to be putting that underneath my lower lash line just to intensify the black liner, and yeah. Taking the Lottie London Stamp liner again, and I'm just going to put that on the inner corner and just bring it down to the middle of my nose and bring it up just to create this little thick line. And again, you're just going to want to do the exact same thing on the other side. Then you are just going to want to do upside down triangles on the middle of your lower lash line. And with the liner, colour that in the black. Then you're going to want to do normal triangles just on the top of your eyebrow. With the same palette, I'm going to be taking the same black shade and I'm going to be smudging that black out a little bit and just kind of shading it just so it's not neat or anything like that. Taking the Lottie liner yet again, and I'm going to start to kind of section my face. and also do a little circle on my chin as well, and a little nose. Then going back in with the black shade again, and of course you are just going to want to smudge it out a little bit. You don't want it to be too neat, and yeah, this just adds a little bit of dimension to the look. Taking the RevolutionXSoph palette in Extra Spice, and I'm going to be taking the shade 21, and I'm just going to put that on my nose. Then taking the NYX white liquid liner, and I'm just going to pop that on the top of my nose. And I'm also going to pop that on the inside of my chin. I'm sorry that I'm like not showing it very well. I was like really concentrating with this one. So yeah, I'm so sorry if the mirror keeps going in the way of the camera. Then I'm going to be taking my PS Love lip liner pencil, and I'm going to start to shape the outline of my lips. Then I'm taking this gorgeous L'Oreal Paris lipstick, and I'm just going to be applying that on my lips. I don't actually know what the shade name is for this, but I will leave everything down in the description below if you are interested. Taking that same liner again, I'm just going to do 2 lines on the corner of my lips. I'm also going to colour the corner of my lips in with that liner just to create a bit of an ombre kind of lip. Then with a small brush you're just going to want to blend that all out. Taking the white NYX liquid liner, and I'm just going to pop that on certain areas of my lips. Then I'm taking this Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter in the shade Flash, and I'm just going to start to apply that in the centre of my nose and also my Cupid's bow. And also to the centre of my lips as well, just to brighten it up. Taking the Lottie London Stamp liner and using the stamp side and starting to put loads of little stars all over my face, and yeah. So that is the makeup look completed. So if you enjoyed this Gangster Clown Halloween makeup look, then definitely let me know. Let me know in the description if you want to see me do anything else, and like and subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.